We're here at the Municipal Hall of Butig Town in Lanao del Sur. Last week, the Maute Group occupied this abandoned municipal building and for the first time raised the black flag of the ISIS. The military has regained control of the building and brought the media to see the Philippine flag flying here again.
Nagtaas sila ng watawat nila. Siyang simbolo yun na ayaw na nilang maging membro ng ating lipunan, ng ating bansa. So, ito'y insulto sa atin. Na dapat ito'y teritoryo ng Pilipinas. Na dapat ang winawagayway dito ay bandila ng Pilipinas.
But the military operations are not over. Cannons were heard while the media were at the site.
Very fluid kasi yung situation. Maaaring nandito ngayon, maaaring bukas, makalawa. Depende. Nahabol pa rin natin. Sa atin yun.
So yun narinig natin na yun, sir? Sa atin yan?
Hindi na yung test siya.
Hindi. May mga sightings tayo. So, every time na may mga ganong confirmed reports, ina-address natin.
Inspired by ISIS, the Maute Group also seeks to establish an Islamic caliphate in the Philippines. Here in Butig, they occupied about 10 hectares of community. It was not easy to flush them out of the area.
Mahirap din mo, may ilang araw din halos yung tutukan mo dito, ma'am, bago kami makapunta rito sa bayan mo.
Bakit mahirap na makalaban ang Maute Group dito sa Butig?
Kasi ma'am, nakaposisyon sila dito, ma'am, halos marami silang sniper, ma'am. Marami silang blocking dyan bago kami makapunta rito.
President Rodrigo Duterte wants to talk peace with the Maute Group. He said there will be harsh consequences if they continue to sow terror. Carmela Fonbuena, Rappler, Lanao del Sur.